Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a fingerprint sensor on OnePlus 11. And to do this we can open our settings. Right here, find the passwords and security. Here's a fingerprint which already confirms that this device does have it. Now let's just try to find it. We need to set the password first. And the fingerprint should be located on the screen right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.